Are you looking to add some color and creativity to your Minecraft builds? Terracotta is a perfect block to bring style and detail to your world. In this video, we will show you exactly how to make terracotta, where to find it, and how to craft its colorful variations step by step. Terracotta is a decorative block that's tougher than wool and can be dyed into 16 different colors. It's perfect for patterns, pathways, and creative designs in both survival and creative mode. You can find terracotta naturally in Badlands biomes, where it spawns in large amounts. It can also generate in some desert village houses, but if you don't have access to those biomes, don't worry, you can craft it yourself. To make terracotta, you'll first need clay blocks. You can get clay blocks by breaking clay deposits in rivers and lakes with a shovel. Place 4 clay balls in the crafting grid to make a clay block. Once you have clay blocks, the next step is smelting. Place a clay block into a furnace, blast furnace or smoker with some fuel like coal, wood or lava. After smelting, you'll get terracotta. Now for the fun part, adding color. To dye terracotta, place 8 terracotta blocks around a dye of your choice in the crafting table. This gives you 8 blocks of dyed terracotta. There are 16 colors in total, from bright options like red and yellow to darker tones like grey and black. You can use these to make detailed floor patterns, walls and even pixel art. You can take it one step further with glazed terracotta. Simply smelt any dyed terracotta block again and it transformed into a patterned block. Each color has a unique design, making glazed terracotta one of the most decorative blocks in Minecraft. Use terracotta for flooring, mosaics or even cultural style builds like temples. Combining patterns and colors lets you create stunning designs that really stand out. And that's everything you need to know about crafting and smelting terracotta in Minecraft. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Minecraft tips, and drop a comment sharing what you're building with terracotta.